Assalamualaikum, welcome to another tutorial of UKTechians. So here is the day when I purchased MacBook Pro M2 chip, and here is a video of unwrapping. With the help of my brother, I am doing this video. It's also a deep dive of why we want to purchase M2 chip and why we want to purchase M1 chip. Anyways, let's begin the video. Before starting our video, if you're not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe the channels and hit the like button if you like this video. So this is M1 MacBook Pro, and we are just about to unwrap my first ever MacBook Pro M2 chip. So I'm very excited while recording this video because I want to record with my brother, and I want my elder brother to open it because he is the supportive system of mine, and I'm very grateful to have my brother with me here. So he is unwrapping the MacBook Pro M2 chip, and there is no difference between the M1 chip and M2 chip. The size are equal, the curve of the screen are equal, the slide bar, the screen, the fingerprint sensor, all is there. I also purchased a magic mouse which cost me about $100 USD. We'll review it in next tutorial about unboxing the mouse also. So here is the MacBook M2 is setting up, and the M1 MacBook Pro is given by my office for my office work. So I want to just show you there is no difference. The size is equal, the screen size is equal, both the systems are of 13.3 inches. Also they both have the slide bar and the fingerprint sensor on the top of the keyboard, and it's just setting up my system. So let's just check out the video of setting up. And see, both the screen and the laptop, the MacBook, both are same in size. The view, the screen, the camera is little sharp of M2 chip, but the camera of M1 chip is also very good, and the side USB ports are equal. Both have two USB chips, and the charger of M2 MacBook Pro is about 67, and M1 chip it's about 60 watt. So the difference is about the fast charger of MacBook M2 with M2 chip, and the MacBook One chip also contain the good charger, like it has also capacity of fast charging. So here my brother is trying to just configure with Hey Siri, but then we realized that we are creating a video not for communicating with the Siri but just want to capture it. So then let's just see. We just enter, and then he said, "Hey Siri," and just trying the slide bar and the fingerprint also, because the both slides are equal. He just want to show you the slide bars are all equal, because I'm not typing here the password right now. So this is why he was I was trying here to say "Hey Siri," and then I realized that I didn't say it loud, and then I skip it. And after that it says here is a touch ID, just scan your finger. So I tell my brother to just put your finger on this sensor, any finger you want to, and then he tried the index finger over here and he said okay, I'll try it. So now he is scanning the finger, so that next time he just want to open the lid and scan the finger, and then that's it. Now the finger is almost scanned, and now we are just choosing the theme, and I choose this first theme and then do next, and then it will process my home screen. So here is MacBook Pro M2 chip. I'm showing the description over here. Just click the Apple icon and then I'll show you the screen. He just opened the preferences, so I just stop it to not show the preference, but then I ask them to show the M1 chip also. So here is a video of the chip is Apple M1 chip, and here is a chip Apple M2. So they both are the same model but with the different chips, and both have the same OS version also, and also the same thing is they both are of 2022. So we are just comparing it that the both system are look very similar. There is no difference in the system. The back is same of both the devices, and also the size is same. There is no difference in the system, and just showing the size here also. So this is the size of both the Macs. So here is the MacBook Pro M1 and M2 chip. The left side is MacBook Pro M2 chip, and the right one is MacBook Pro M1 chip. The size and all these specs are same, but here is a difference, a slight difference, and modified the chip also. MacBook M2 Pro has efficient just quick start of everything, and increase in CPU and GPU also. So this is why it is a better version. But if you have a MacBook M1 and you just recently purchase it, so you don't need to purchase the MacBook M2 device, MacBook Pro M2 device. You just continue with your system, because both have same configuration, but just a slight difference of M2 chip. You don't need to upgrade it. So also I want to tell you the price, the cost, how much it cost me, because my one of my friends just purchased from Canada. So I get the MacBook Pro M2 chip with the cost of 1,779 Canadian dollars. So hope you will like this video, enjoy this video, the unwrapping of my MacBook Pro M2 chip, and you will support my channel. And if you like these type of video, just comment under the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button and like button. I need your support to make my channel boost.